What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and we just got home early today because of a snow day, and we found this on the porch. Cannot wait to open this thing because this thing's gonna be pretty cool. I cannot wait to see this. Alright guys, so this is going to be a really cool unboxing video for me. Definitely something I've been really wanting, stuff I've really been trying to collect and find. However, this was the very first one I found on none other than eBay. So, most of you guys know eBay is kind of sketchy at times, or it could be, but this is from a very trusted source. A lot of you guys did post something about this in the Monster Truck collecting group. Now, I did win this bet. I did pay a little bit of money for this, but yeah, honestly, I think it's worth it when something like this comes out and people want it and there's a market for it, or at least just to have it in their collection. You know, it's a hobby of mine. It's a hobby for a lot of people that watch this to collect trucks and basically get them and everything. So even though I did pay a lot of money for this, I'm really happy I got it. Now, I can't wait to open it, so we're going to get some scissors and crack this thing open. Now, this is actually one of the trucks I've been really dying to get my hands on ever since it got released. I think this thing looks really cool. And this is actually, this is the first thing I'm doing when I get home here because I was not expecting this to come this quick. Now, I did order this on Monday. Today is currently Friday, so this came very fast. And I got this from a very trusted source, off eBay at least. So hopefully everything's good to go on here. Wow, it's really taped it up pretty good. Now this is probably going to be my most prized possession, probably, for at least the 2021 side of things. I don't really want to say it because once you guys see it, you know what it's going to be right off the bat. Alright, and here it is. A newspaper. We got all this, so let's get all this out of the way. Alright, here we go. Oh man, look at this. Oh yeah, that is pretty cool. Alright, so if some of you guys don't know what this is already, ooh, it's a little whatever, but yeah, if you guys don't know what this is already, clearly it is the Spin Master 1 out of 1000 Toy Fair employee exclusive truck. Now, how funny would it be if I open this and there's like nothing in here? Ooh, look at this. It's actually in. That's why I didn't close. Alright, here we go. Look at this bubble wrap. This thing's really concealed. Oh man, look at this. Alright, oh. Wow, dude. Let's see if I can pop this thing out here. Take a nice good look at it. I don't really want to bend it or anything like that. Ah, alright. Out of the box, and there it is. 1 out of 1000 Toy Fair, toy exclusive. Okay, so there's a truck, but first just reading the box. Limited edition of 1000, and then adult collector, 14 years plus. So this is pretty cool. I like how they did this. I like how the box changed a little bit. And now moving on to the main piece, and I will throw this in the studio here in a little bit. But yeah, I'm just in total shock that I actually have this. This is pretty cool. Yeah! So now we officially have 2 Toy Fair, 2 employee exclusive monster trucks in my collection. The only one I do not have is the very first one, which is Gravedigger. But this is very nicely put together here. Wow. That's pretty cool. You can really see the charcoal paint on this Gravedigger. I love the case. You got the little sticker that says 1/64 scale Gravedigger 2021 Toy Fair exclusive limited edition of 1000. And of course you got the Monster Jam and the Spin Master logo. On the top you have the Monster Jam. So yeah, this is this is pretty cool. I can't believe I have this. Wow. So yeah, there's always a ton of giveaways. There's a ton of ways you guys can get this, dishing out a lot of money and stuff. But I think I was very fortunate to actually get this. As you see, the truck is sealed in there, or rubber band tied down. Of course, I will not be opening this, and you see smudge marks all over the case because my hands are Sweating. Wow, this is pretty cool. So yeah, definitely probably the rarest truck in my collection right now. These are starting to hit the market on eBay. Yeah, I just don't know what to say. I can't believe I had this. That's cool. So there was a Christmas giveaway with Monster Jam OCD. I was not fortunate enough or lucky enough to get one, but I did pay a little bit of money for this. Now, someone like me, I'm in my position to where I can afford stuff like this, and I'm very thankful for that. Also, I wouldn't recommend doing it if you couldn't do it, but I do love to collect them, and a lot of people might say, hey, you know, you spent a lot of money, it's just a toy, whatever. But to those people that look at it that way, you know, everyone has a hobby, and this is one of my hobbies. This, you know, it's kind of like, without having like an ego, it's like, you know, it's my money, kind of spend it the way I want to, kind of thing. And for something like this is pretty cool. So wow, I can't believe I have this. This is pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys want to know the price I spent for this, and this is probably the most expensive truck in my collection. Now, the one prior to this was the Dragonoid Toy Fair exclusive or employee exclusive truck, and I paid $286 for the Dragonoid one. This one has doubled that. This one actually sold for $650. With tax and everything, it came out to about $686. So yeah, almost a $700 truck right here. This is more money than the PS5 right now. Now, obviously, with collecting, you don't know how the value is going to go, but nonetheless, I think it's the crown jewel in my collection. It has a cool case. One thing I can mention is I hope Spin Master, next year's Toy Fair truck or employee truck, make it like this. It's a cool box. It's a cool case. I like it. I'm not going to open this truck. As you can tell here, you can take the truck out. I love how it does have the little, like, monster truck tracks on it. Overall, it's a pretty cool, pretty neat truck. This is something that, wow, I still can't believe I have it. The charcoal roll cage there, charcoal rims. It's got that sparkle to it. It's got the dirt on the white tires, the old school Firestone tires. And everywhere you just see, it's all, that's just pretty cool. That's awesome. So yeah, I may have paid a lot for it, but, you know, to those people that say, oh, it's a waste of money, it's greedy, or, you know, charge that much, but it came from a trusted source. A lot of this was posted on, I think, the Monster Jam or Monster Truck Collecting Group, and I just want to say that, you know, hey, West Coast Toy Mafia, man, you know, they're my trusted guy right now for getting anything, and, you know, for something like this, I will gladly pay something like that. But yeah, here it is, the second Toy Fair exclusive truck or employee truck that I have in my collection. Definitely the most expensive truck in my collection, and yeah, I still kind of can't believe I have this thing, and I can't believe it came that quick. Like I said, I won the bid on Monday, and today is Friday, the 19th, and we got this, so really cool. Now we just need to get the other Gravedigger, right? We got to find that other Gravedigger, the very first one, to complete all three employee trucks right now. So hopefully someday I can find that, one that's in a good shape, but yeah, this is cool. I can't believe I have this, man. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. And Spin Master, you guys did a good job on this thing. I mean, I'm personally never going to take this out of the case. So this is the only time I'm really going to have it like this. Other than this, it's basically going to chill in the box for now. But really, really cool, man. Really, really cool. I cannot believe I have that. That's awesome. But, yeah. Let me know in the comments, drop a like, let me know what you guys think. If you guys had the money and you guys wanted to spend it on this, if you would. If you guys think that it was better off going somewhere else. Or if you guys think it was just better spending that much on like Mix 14 or 15 or just a whole bunch of other trucks rather than just this one collection piece. But with that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. I cannot believe I have this. This is really cool for me. And yeah, the second employee truck. So with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys in another video very shortly. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a like. And yeah, let's help support each other with collecting and everything. I think it's cool. I think it's awesome. The community is awesome. And I will see you guys very shortly.